Hi, I'm Melissa, and this video is specific to September 2023. So this is a really big month for SeneGence because there are free signups all month long so that you can become a distributor for absolutely free. So if you are a former distributor who is looking to jump back in, looking to make some money as a side hustle, this is definitely the month to sign back up because it is completely free. Or maybe you are a customer who loves SeneGence products and is thinking that maybe you could make some extra money by selling the products. This is also a great month for you to start because you can do so for free. And if you want to sign up with a friend, even better. There's no obligation. There is nothing to lose. So you guys can sign up together. It's just the perfect month to jump in. So the business kit has a book from our founder and CEO, Joni, and you can learn a lot about how to do your business from that book. It has samples, a beauty book that goes over all the different products, and several different lip products for you to be able to try for yourself or use as testers to show to customers how our products work. So just a few of the reasons that you might want to join SeneGence is for fun, to meet new friends, to travel, to work on your personal development and growth, to make money, obviously. I would definitely personally love to have you as part of the team. If you sign up with me, I will reach out to you after you've signed up so we can get connected and I can get you connected to our resources and training group on Facebook. You can also reach out to me if you have any questions. Definitely take advantage of free signups in September. And I hope you have a fabulous day. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos, and have a fabulous September.